I'd like to show you the Mungyo Gallery standard oil pastel today and just give you an idea of how it lays down, how it blends, how it works, and all that good stuff. I have here one of the smaller sets of 12. If you look here, it actually gives you all the pigment color names and information right here to line up. So you have that information right on hand, and that's always nice to have. I'll put down a little bit of color here just to give you an idea of how it's an oil pastel, so it should feel a little bit like a firm lipstick. And it glides very nicely. I've got a traditional pastel paper here. Whether you're a student or a mixed media artist that wants to add a new medium into their repertoire, these are great pastels for playing, experimenting. They are light fast. They are, artist grade, but the standard part is they're a little bit, to keep the price point down, a little bit less pigmented than the artist soft oil pastels, which you can see in a different video for that one, the Mungyo Gallery Artist Soft Pastel. Let me just blend these together for you. You can see that the colors will blend. We're getting a nice little orange there. And lastly, just to give you an idea of the opacity, we have a little color chart based on this set right here. You can see how they lay down. There were 2 passes of the pastel put over this, and you can see you get some transparency. If you want to use these for backgrounds, if you want to use these for layering, they will work very nicely for you. I also have a 48-piece set in a wood box, nice arrangement. They're a great pastel to have fun with. I would really recommend these for anybody either starting out, like I said, adding to their repertoire of art for mixed media, and then if they wanted something to help fill in background and then go in with a higher pigmented pastel, another great option. So just trying to give you an idea of how they feel in your hand. These are the standard oil pastels from Mungyo. Hope you enjoy them.